Welcome back to another video on Payoneer. I'll be showing you the menu bar on Payoneer. You can see products, customers, parameters, and about. When you put your mouse on products, you can see get paid, manage funds, and pay. These are the titles of what your links are going to be based on. You can also take shortcuts by going to the footer down below of the site. You can also see blog, login, and sign up. At the top, it will say pay and get paid. Send mass payouts. You can get more help and change your language. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Where's Coins page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Payoneer menu bar.